In our first session, we have studied about history of English novel. Now, let's have a glance towards novella. A novella is the word originated from the Italian word novelle. It is a type of prose fiction which is shorter than a full-length novel and longer than short stories. It is a well-structured short narrative, maybe satiric or realistic in tone. Some famous novellas in English are The Heart of Darkness by Joseph Conrad, The Turn of the Screw, Henry James, Billy Budd, Herman Melville, Death in Venice, Thomas Mann, Pearl, John Steinbeck. There are 6 elements essential of novella or novellas. Element म्हणजेच घटक. All these factors may be related to one another in the work by an author. Which are those elements? Language or style, conflict, setting, characters, plot and theme. These elements makes a novel perfect. First important element is theme. What is theme? Theme is nothing but the central idea in which a philosophical statement is put forth. The writer has put forth through the narration of series of events in the story and characters acting in the particular setting. Plot. Plot is essentially the story of the course of events that make up the theme. It is created by the conflict either internal, that is inside the mind of the character, or external with other characters or entities. Plot may be simple, that is maybe one plot, or complex, that means consisting the interweaving of many subplots. The third important element is characterization. Characterization is mainly related to the plot, as the course of events take place because of the certain behavior of characters. The important character may have been described in its every aspect by the writer. The minor characters are not given much importance. These characters is referred as protagonist. Protagonist, main character, is in conflict with a character or an entity or a force, internal or external, that is antagonist. That means in a novel there is one protagonist and another antagonist. Protagonist is main character and antagonist is a character having some conflict with the protagonist. Next element is setting. Setting is the background in which the story takes place. So, setting plays an important role in the forming of a novel. There are few aspects of setting: place, period, time, climate, weather and lifestyle. Plot and character are the major elements that are affected due to setting. Now let's talk about conflict. Conflict means nothing but struggle. Struggle between two opposite parties. In the story, conflict creates interest and curiosity about the plot. If there is no conflict, there we will not have any kind of story. When we talk about language or style, the language and the techniques used by the author for the narration of the course of events is known as style. We can call it as a texture of the narration. An author can use extensive vocabulary and high phrases, or he may be laconic and would write only to the point, or he may mix both according to the requirement for meeting his purpose. He may use linguistic devices to make the narrative effective. All these factors decide the texture of the narration and create an impact on the reader. That means language decides style, and language and style both decides the texture of the novel. That's all about the elements of novel. In our upcoming session, we are going to discuss about the types of novels. Thank you.